Hello everyone, today we are starting 8.4 of sequence series Algebra 2. So see, finding sum of infinite geometric series. So first is given, consider the infinite geometric series like this. Find and graph the partial sum Sn. Sn means sum of n terms. So let's see. First term, S1 is 1 by. S2 means sum of two terms. S3 sum of first three terms. If I calculate this is 0.5. This will be 0.75. We are adding something, right? So the values will be increased. So it's around 0.88. Then S4 is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 60. Approximately 0.94. Here, we write it up to this. Next, we have to plot these points. We have to plot it. In the plotting, we draw its axis, coordinate axis. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. These values are very small, so we are choosing it 0.2, 4, 6, 8, and 1. Like this. Add 1, it is 0.5. So point is here. Add 2, it's 0.75. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 0.7 somewhere here. And then 0.88 is there. 0.94 it's here. So you can see after some points it's going to go like this. And all values up to this are less than 1. The values are less than 1. This is the graph. So what you can see? We can say that as n increase, Sn approaches to 1. Approaches to 1. Okay? Next. Find the sum of infinite geometric series. We have learned sum of finite series of geometric is Sn is equals to first term 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. So in this case our n is very large. N is very large. And we can find infinite geometric series sum only if ratio is in between 0 to 1. We can only find when the ratio is between 0 to 1. Or you can say absolute value of r is strictly less than 1. In this case, if you take a power n and n is very large, so Rn approaches to 0. So our formula for infinite terms will be a over 1 minus r. So let's see in the question number A. The first term is 3 into 0.7 to the power 0. That means 3. First term is 3. And the common ratio is 0.7. We have to find the sum of infinite terms. So formula will be first term over 1 minus r. It's a 0.3. If I calculate, it's a 1 over 0.1, which is 10. In case your ratio is greater than 1 or equals to 1, we cannot find infinite sum. because in that case it will goes to infinity or negative infinity. Okay, so infinite sum can be calculated if the ratio, absolute value of the ratio is strictly less than 1. Now let's see question number C5. You can check B. What is the common ratio? 3 over 1 is 3. 9 over 3 is 3. 27 over 9, it's 3. Ratio is 3 and the absolute value of ratio is greater than 1. So I will say sum does not exist. Sum does not exist. Let's see the C part. 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 9 by 60 minus 27 by 64. You can find the ratio. What is the ratio? Minus 3 by 5 over 1, that is negative 3 by 4. 9 by 16 over negative 3 by 4. So it will be negative 3 by 4 again. So this is common ratio. The formula of the sum of term is first term over 1 minus ratio. It is equals to 1 over 1 plus 3 by 4. It will be 4 over 7. This is the answer. Next. A pendulum is released to swing freely, travel 18 inches on a first swing. That means in the first time it swings 18 inches. On each swing the pendulum travels 80% of the distance of the previous. So it is getting reduced. That means the distance is getting reduced. What is the total distance the pendulum swings? Total distance. So we have to find sum of the terms here. So first term is 18. Next is 18 0.8. 18 0.8 square. And so on. So you can find the ratio is 0.8. First term is 18. So sum will be 18 over 1 minus r. On calculation I will get 18 over 0.2. 9 2s are 18. So 9 over 0.1 which is 90. So we get the total distance traveled by the pendulum is 90. Next, write this term as a fraction in simplest form. So what is given? It is a non-terminating, repeating decimal. Every non-terminating, repeating decimal is a rational number. So we have to find that rational number. To see how I can write it as a 0.242424 and 0.24 first time, then 0.0024, 0.000024. You can see here first time I write this 24, next time I write this 24, next time I write this 24, like this. Okay, and now we have to add them. I can write in a fraction, it's a 24 over 10 power 2, 24 over 10 power 4, 24 over 10 power 6, and so on. 24 you can take common if you want. Let's find the ratio. Ratio is equals to second term over the first term. It's a 1 over 10 square. This is the common ratio. Substitute first term over 1 minus ratio. 24 over 100, 99 over 100. It's 24 over 99. It can cancel with 3. So 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 8 by 33 is the answer. So 0.242424 so on. This is 8 over 33. We are done with this. So 8.4 topic is complete. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.